things about it we can't talk about, but there was a family and one of the local ARCs. Maybe we could chat about that a little bit.
Okay.
You know, what happened there and what was going on with that case?
Well, what happened is a young man, Robert was his name, they called him Bobby. He was 26 years old, and he was attending a day program with the ARC up in Kingston. And the day program would mean essentially he'd be there for the day. His mother would drop him off at night and pick him up in the afternoon. I mean, drop him off in the morning, pick him up in the afternoon. You know, there'd be various activities to keep him engaged and some life-fulfilling activities for him. But Bobby had some rather severe disabilities, and what is not unusual with someone like Bobby who had Down syndrome and autism is that he had various swallowing and eating issues. Now that's pretty much the bread and butter type of disability and concerns that an organization like an ARC should be aware of, prepared to deal with, and deal with on a daily basis. But unfortunately, in Bobby's case, they did not, and they really dropped the ball. They gave him some food and in particular a cupcake with a plastic toy on top of it, and he ingested it, and eventually, after a long, torturous hospital stay, he passed away. So it's a horrible story. It was, obviously for the family devastating, something they'll never get over. And we took it on, and we quite aggressively went after the ARC because it's something that they really were aware of, could have prevented if they had followed the simple protocols, which were all in writing, all laid out for them as to how to deal with someone like Bobby and the limitations he has. This wouldn't have happened. But the protocols were not followed, and the result was tragic.